Hello everyone and welcome. This is your final module for ES1, Auxiliary Views. So, consider having an object and you are given a multi-view of it. Are you pretty sure that what you're looking at is the true shape and true size of each surface? So in this lesson, we will discuss how to produce auxiliary views so that we will have true shape, true size of all the surfaces given. So we have six principal views, and not always do we get what we want. So you might have a face that isn't shown properly, or as some online trolls would say, biased. Hmm. So in this case, it's not shown as it is. You see a surface ABTC that isn't seen on its true size and shape. It's either shortened or shown as edge view. So for us to show it in true size and shape, we must draw a reference plane that is parallel to its edge view. So our line of sight is basically looking at it from your from the upper right of the object. So auxiliary views, these are basically to show objects that are, or surfaces rather, that are foreshortened. So instead of simply seeing a circle, you see something else, like an oblong, or your square becomes a rectangle, or your rectangle becomes a square. Basically, it can be misinterpreted and must not be dimensioned when that surface or face is foreshortened. So we have to provide an additional view, and these must show the target surfaces in their true size and shapes. So in this scenario, or in this example, we have an oblong looking thing that is actually a cylindrical hole. So we have three different types of auxiliary views: depth auxiliary view, width auxiliary view, height auxiliary view. Basically, it's just terminology. If you're looking for the depth, you call it depth auxiliary view. If you're looking for the true width, it's called width auxiliary view. Same goes for your height auxiliary view. So how do we do it? Basically, you look for the surface that you want to show in true size and shape. Uh, for this example, we're looking at the ABCD lookalike in the earlier slide. So once we have selected that, we make construction lines to prepare for the projection on the auxiliary view. So take note, this is more similar, or rather similar to the planes and space projection. It's not like your isometric view, which distorts the object. This one rotates the object. So we draw a fold line, and at this point you would want to identify the planes that you have and all the points that each plane has. It will help you in projecting in step 4. So remember, when projecting points, you have to consider two views away. When I say 2 views away, 5, this distance here corresponds to the distance here. So 1, 2, 2 views away. And once you're done projecting all of those, you have to choose which ones are closer to your reference plane. These points are closer to this one, so this point over here happens to be behind this one, meaning if we draw a line here, this should be hidden because it is farther away from this fold line than this line. So that's it. There will be modules, and if you have other questions, feel free to consult your instructor. Thank you.